gosh, I am squealing like a little baby. We have our first floral order, live floral, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you the boxes and then I'm gonna show you later on what the beautiful flowers look like. So anyway, I'm just super excited. Some from Holland, some from Italy, and some from Ecuador. So real live flowers for a beautiful wedding, and it's just gonna be divine. There are calla lilies and there are tulips and they're purple and lavender, and then there's also carnations, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing. So stay tuned. We have our inspector over here. What do you think, Cooney Booney? Oh, he knows there's something special in there. You can see the Holex flowers from Holland, fresh tulips. And then we have some flowers right here, all the way from Ecuador. And then we have some more Holex flowers right here. Super stoked.